What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a special guest with me and I'm gonna go and pick them up right now. Ready for the surprise? Ta-da! Dad's back. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Alright, we're gonna go and sort the unit out and we'll be back with you in the car. So this is the shopping list, guys. This is the boxes. We was gonna do 5, but we're only doing 4, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, okay, we're gonna go. Hey Dad, what snack do you want?
Hey?
What snack do you want?
What's that?
Yeah.
Mars bar.
Go on then. I'm gonna have a little snack. Right, guys. Oh, that sun's doing bits. We just pulled up to Best Ways. We're gonna go in and I'll film a little bit. Are you ready, Pops?
Yep.
Right, do you want to get the trolley and I'll get the list? I'll get the list. I'll get the heavy thing. I'm getting right double chin, me. Right, okay. Right, Coke cans, Coke bottles, Red Bull, Coke Zero, Starburst, Hero Star Mix, Fanta, Diet Coke, Lucy Sport, Cabby Bar. Right, let's get the snacks. Snacks. Right, I'm gonna come back to you when we've got some of the stuff. Bye. Well, I pay. Yeah. Right, guys, we are on the way to our location in town. Jesus, that sun is so bright. We are on a tight schedule because Mother is at a funeral today and Dad has to go drop her off, don't you, Dad?
Yep.
Because you are Mum's personal taxi driver.
Correct.
Right. Yeah, so we are going to go to that location. Then we're going to go to the location, the new location. Then we're going to go to the other location. Then we're going to go to the other location. See you later. Bye. We are in the lift, about to fill the machine in town. See you in a minute. Oh, it did have Maltesers in it already. Ready? We're at the second location. I forgot my phone. Now I've got it. See you inside. There he is, putting in a shift. Yeah, Coke. Right, squadrons, we are on the way to the new machine. I've not been there yet, neither's Dad. It got put in last week. Bloody hell, it's warm in here. So yeah, we'll see you there.
So excited.
We are so excited. It is in an office building, so yeah. What do you think?
Really good.
Okay.